All right, Alex, go. Go, Alex. Come on, don't be afraid. It's just a bird.
That's just a bird with a really pointy beak.
You got a sweatshirt on. You'll be all right. Just curl up in a ball.
Oh, it has eggs.
Well, duh. That's why it's getting all pissed. Go for it, man.
No, I ain't getting mauled by it.
Come on, go, go. Go by the fence. Keep your face against the fence. You'll be all right. Go, Alex. Just do it. Come on, just go. Turn around and just walk backwards toward it. You got this, you got this. Come on, Alex. Wave your foot at it, see if it moves. You win.